Hey guys, I'm going to try to break down what the Quai Network project is in a really simple way, because I know that terms like blockchain Quai, energy dollar, and tokenomics can feel pretty confusing and heavy when you first hear them. And honestly, it didn't click for me immediately either. I had to watch Dr. K videos a few times before it all started to make sense in my head. So let's start with the basics. What even is a blockchain? A blockchain is basically a public record, like a digital notebook. Everything gets written there. Anyone can check it, but no one can secretly change it. And because of that, you don't need a bank for transactions in the middle. Now, the important part, in Quai, everything exists inside one single system. It's not split into separate pieces, so both the money and the entire logic of how the network works are all part of one ecosystem. Now imagine there are two types of money in this system. Quai is kind of like gold or real estate. It's something you hold long-term, more like storing value. It's designed to be more scarce over time and more like a long-term asset. Chi is the money you actually use in everyday life. So things like coffee, shopping, transport, just normal daily spending. It's meant to be practical and easy to use. Chi is also called an energy dollar because its issuance is linked to the cost of energy used to secure the network. So in a way, it reflects the economics of energy in the system. In most cryptocurrencies, people try to force one token to do everything at once, act as an investment, a payment method, and also something stable. The problem is, those roles actually conflict with each other. That's why Quai separates them. Quai is the store of value layer, and Chi is the everyday spending layer. The simplest way to think about it is, Quai is what you save. Chi is what you spend, and that's basically what the energy dollar is used for in practice. If we compare it to Bitcoin, Bitcoin is more like digital gold, great for long-term holding, but in practice, it's not really suitable for everyday payments like coffee or groceries. It's too volatile, and transactions is slow and expensive. It also isn't really designed for building complex applications on top of it, because its programmability is quite limited compared to newer networks. In Quai Network, it's different. Quai Network combines both ideas in one system and plays the Bitcoin-like role as a store of value, while the overall system is much closer to Ethereum because it also supports building applications and smart contracts. So in simple terms, Quai Network is trying to be a combination of Bitcoin and Ethereum in one ecosystem, both a store of value and a platform for applications. Now, what secures the network? The Quai network is secured by proof of work, meaning miners use computational power to add new blocks and keep the system safe. The whole idea of blockchain originally comes from Satoshi Nakamoto and Bitcoin, the vision of money without banks or intermediaries. Quai Network, in a way, is trying to continue that vision, but expand it. Not just digital money, but a system that separates different functions of money properly inside in one ecosystem. Thanks for listening. I hope this actually makes sense now. See you in the next video. Have a great day.